2022, we here at ASUS are excited to announce our revamped Vivobook lineup. Today, I'm delighted to showcase our new 2022 Vivobook S14X and S16X. With the latest generation of Intel H series processors and a gorgeous high-refresh, high-resolution OLED display. The Vivobook S14X and S16X are for anyone who wants a portable yet uniquely stylish device with best-in-class CPU performance and specs to keep up with their on-the-go lifestyle. Our unrivaled OLED display technology provides an immersive experience for your entertainment and creative needs. Introducing the world's first 14.5-inch, 2.8K, 120Hz OLED laptop, the Vivobook S14X OLED. This year, get ready to discover new possibilities with Vivobook. Combining bold styling with powerful performance, the Vivobook S14X and S16X comes with up to a 12th generation Intel Core i7 H45 processor with sustained 45-watt performance, and are available in either 14.5-inch or 16-inch variants. The Vivobook S14X and S16X also comes with a long-lasting 70-watt-hour battery that provides all-day battery life. With up to 16 GB of RAM, 1 TB of PCIe 4.0 SSD storage, there's no need to worry about sluggish performance or running out of space for your large files. Coming in at 17.9mm thin and 1.6 kg light, the Vivobook S14X is one of the slimmest and portable laptops in our lineup, making it perfect for those who are always on the go. In addition, there's a full set of I/O ports with 2 high-speed Thunderbolt 4, HDMI 2.0 support, as well as our ASUS ErgoSense keyboard and an expansive touchpad for the best ergonomics, all charged by a 90-watt-hour USB-C adapter. Furthermore, there's a lightning-fast fingerprint sensor on the power button, so you can get to the task at hand instantly. No more forgetting your password. For 2022, the Vivobook S14X and S16X has been redesigned to feature a sturdy aluminum alloy whole-body design with geometric design cues and comes in 3 new colors: Solar Silver, Midnight Black, and my personal favorite, Sand Gray. The overall feel is premium and sleek. A new raised logo tab on the top of the sturdy aluminum alloy lid provides a subtle yet unique flair. Opening up the lid, you are greeted with distinctive design accents on the keyboard, including the orange escape key and striped enter key. Furthermore, the 180-degree hinge lets you use the laptop at any angle that suits you or share your screen easily with those around. The Vivobook S14X and S16X comes with not 1 but 2 Thunderbolt 4 ports that provide up to 40 GB per second blazing fast file transfer and supports fast charging up to either one 8K external display or up to 2 4K 60Hz monitors. To run up the rest of the I/O, we have one USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type A and one USB 2.0 Type A and HDMI 2.0 that also supports 4K 60Hz displays, and let's not forget the audio combo jack for all your audio needs. Also, the Vivobook S14X and S16X comes with top-of-the-line Wi-Fi 6E. It incorporates our ASUS Wi-Fi Master technology, which optimizes Wi-Fi range and performance in almost any environment, so that you can enjoy reliable connections and a smooth streaming experience at greater distances. Powered by up to the latest top-of-the-line Intel Core i7 processor, the i7-12700H, the Vivobook S14X and S16X keeps up with all your productivity and entertainment needs effortlessly, whether it's streaming, browsing, editing, video chatting, or just taking care of work. The Alder Lake H45 processor can be boosted up to a TDP of 45 watts and provides up to almost 2.7 times improved performance compared to the previous generation Tiger Lake U15, according to Cinebench R20 benchmarks. It's the fastest performing generation of CPUs to date. Also, for casual gamers, the new generation of integrated GPU, Intel's Iris Xe, has enough gaming chops for some light gaming sessions, including some of your favorite games such as CSGO, League of Legends at high FPS, so you can make the most of the 120Hz high refresh OLED display. To keep the Vivobook S14X and S16X cool in any situation, the ASUS ice-cool thermal technology uses 2 upgraded heat pipes, one 8mm and one 6mm, as well as a 97-blade fan that is made of a thin and light liquid crystal polymer. The result is that the powerful CPU can run comfortably at max TDP for long durations in performance mode, no throttling. You can also switch between different performance modes effortlessly. Choose between performance mode for maximum performance during heavy workloads, change to whisper mode for a quiet and distraction-free experience when watching movies or less CPU-intensive tasks, or keep it in balance mode to allow automatic optimization of performance and thermals for everyday productivity. Furthermore, the Vivobook S14X is also Intel Evo certified, which ensures users have all the features they need to get it all done. Fast charge, all-day battery, blazing fast instant and connectivity speeds, instant wake, as well as incredible performance, all in an ultra-portable form factor. Think thin, light, and fast. The outstanding feature of this device is the high refresh OLED display, which delivers out-of-this-world realism and details. The Vivobook S14X comes with the world's first 14.5-inch 2.8K 120Hz OLED panel so that you can immerse yourselves in your favorite movies and shows. The 16-inch version comes with up to a 4K 60Hz panel, so you can enjoy 4K content on YouTube and improve your 4K editing workflow. With a 16:10 aspect ratio, the new panels provide enhanced productivity thanks to the extra screen real estate. Moreover, the 3-sided NanoEdge bezels contribute to the immersive visual experience. The Pantone-validated cinema-grade screen covers 100% of the DCI P3 color gamut, making it ideal for viewing HDR content and for color-accurate creative and design work. Get fully immersed in your favorite movies and TV shows with its 1,000,000:1 contrast ratio and HDR True Black 500. Colors are rich and lifelike, the details are awe-inspiring, exposure is balanced, and you get those visual appealing deep blacks. Not only are our brand new panels color accurate, but they also sport a high-speed, silky smooth 120Hz refresh rate with a 0.2 millisecond response time on our top Vivobook S14X configuration. Even compared to fast 165Hz LCDs, the response time of OLED is an order of magnitude faster, 0.2 versus 3 milliseconds. So despite the faster refresh rate of the LCD, the Vivobook S14X OLED is still quicker to display each frame, around 8.5 milliseconds compared to the LCD's 9.09. Simply put, this means even fast-moving visuals are more smooth and clearer than ever. The result is super clear text scrolling and a fluid, blur-free visual experience. In other words, it's a game changer. Furthermore, since we're all spending more time in front of our screens, harmful blue light can often cause visual discomfort and disrupt sleep. But thanks to our unique lighting materials, our OLED panels emit 70% less harmful blue light and are also certified by TÜV Rheinland and SGS, so even long viewing sessions are always easy on your eyes. Get ready to rock your world with the Harman Kardon certified audio system and the latest DTS audio technology. The dual speakers are capable enough to enjoy YouTube videos or podcasts even without headphones. Experience high fidelity, distortion-free audio, putting you in the middle of the action. To further the remote working and video conferencing experience, you can hear and be heard clearly in all scenarios with ASUS AI noise cancelling technology. Our technology employs machine learning to isolate unwanted noise from human speech. This feature helps filter out ambient noise for optimal call quality. You can also select from a variety of modes. For example, with single presenter mode selected, all ambient noises are filtered out, making only your voice more clear and crisp. In conference calls, switch to multi-presenter mode, which ensures everyone is heard by normalizing all individual voices. Paired with our AI noise cancelling technology is an improved HD webcam with ASUS 3D noise reduction to take your video calling experience to the next level. 3D NR significantly upgrades the HD webcam image clarity with a unique algorithm that sharpens images and performs real-time denoising to ensure everything looks crisp and clear during video calls and conferencing. To improve overall productivity, the ASUS ErgoSense keyboard has been tuned to provide the optimal experience during long productivity sessions. The typing experience on the Vivobook S14X and S16X is precise and satisfying. With 19.05mm full-size key pitch, 0.2mm keycap dish, and 1.4mm of key travel, with each keystroke being accurate and tactile. With a considerably larger touchpad than previous generations, over 45% larger for the 16-inch and 50% larger for the 14.5-inch, navigating across multiple windows has never been easier. In addition, for those who miss the convenience of a numeric keypad, our improved digital number pad 2.0 on the Vivobook S14X provides an easy way for you to do quick maths, whether working in spreadsheets or any sort of data entry work, while maintaining the compactness of the device. Simply tap the number pad icon on the top right of the touchpad to switch. You can also swipe from the top left icon in any direction to access the Windows Calculator app. In our ever-increasingly digital age, we are working more and more remotely. For ease of mind, we've included a physical privacy shutter on the webcam. In addition, our one-touch fingerprint login makes signing into your laptop with Windows Hello a breeze, letting you get back to the task at hand quicker. Our My ASUS software provides easy access to all your settings, software updates, and PC performance optimizations. You can also use it easily to contact after-sales service and support. In addition to My ASUS, our GlideX app, a cross-device screen sharing solution, you can now expand your horizons with multiple monitors via wireless connections. More space for work and play. Using the screen mirror function, you can project your mobile device to your PC screen, allowing you to use mobile apps on your PC. Additionally, with Screen Extend, you can turn your tablet or device into a secondary display. GlideX lets you optimize your workflow your way. Alright, that about does it for the detailed overview of our brand new Vivobook S14X and S16X. The Vivobook S14X and S16X is the ultimate companion for your on-the-go lifestyle with a 120Hz 2.8K display and up to an i7 H45 CPU. I cannot recommend the Vivobook S14X and S16X enough for those seeking a functional and portable laptop. I've been using both 14.5-inch and 16-inch versions for the last few weeks and was highly impressed with the overall everyday experience during my everyday use. The visual experience is out of this world. The high refresh, beautifully detailed and vibrant 120Hz OLED display is breathtaking. Moreover, everyday tasks were a breeze and the typing experience was exceptional. With the Vivobook S14X and S16X, the world is at your fingertips. We're super excited to bring top-of-the-line display technology and unparalleled performance to our Vivobook series for 2022. If you're interested in finding out more, check out our product page at asus.com. I'll see you again in the next one.